Create a booking for an existing client. Because Shortcuts Live provides you with a complete picture of your clients' interactions with your business, you can easily make appointments for existing clients by selecting from their previous services, which saves you time and helps your clients to feel valued by you and your business. In this lesson, you'll learn how to select an appointment time, allocate an existing client to the appointment, and select a service to be carried out. There are 3 steps to adding a new booking to the appointment book: selecting a time, selecting a client, then selecting a service. From Operations, select Appointments. Navigate to the day you want to add the appointment to. Click on the vacant cell at the client's requested time. The side panel will slide out. Search for the client and select. Click on the Services tab. In the right column, a list of all the client's previous services are displayed. Click on one of these to select, or select another service by first selecting a service category from the right and then selecting a service. If the client has requested a particular employee for the service, move the toggle to Requested. To add a tag to the booking, click the Details tab and select a tab from the list. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to select an appointment time, allocate an existing client to the appointment, and select a service to be carried out.